Hello everyone, welcome to ICSC Exam Square. In this video, we are going to discuss the ICSC English Literature syllabus and will provide an overview to the specimen paper provided officially by the Council. The Council sets the board's question paper in exactly the same way it sets the specimen paper. It is for the batch who is going to give their board's examination in the year 2025. In one of the previous videos, we have already covered the English language syllabus and have find out the weightage of each question in the English language specimen paper. Also, in one of the videos, I have provided the solution to the specimen paper as well. If you want to find it out, just check it out in our channel. Now moving on to the syllabus for English literature. It's the circular officially notified in the council's website. For the class 10, Act number 3, 4 and 5 of Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare is a part of the syllabus. Then there are 5 prose and 5 poetries. So the prose are With the Photographer by Stephen Leacock, The Elevator, The Girl Who Can, The Pedestrian and The Last Lesson. And poetry involves Haunted Houses, The Glove and the Lions, When Great Trees Falls, A Considerable Speck and The Power of the Music. That's pretty much your syllabus for English literature. This is what you need to cover. I will be uploading more and more videos on my channel discussing all these chapters individually, and we will also practice lots of questions because I believe that practice makes a man perfect. If you practice as many question answers as possible, you are definitely gonna excel in your board's examination. Now let us just move on to the specimen paper provided by the council. We are on to the page finally. It's a specimen paper provided by the council for the batch 2025. As you can see that the paper is of 80 marks. The internal assessment which is conducted at your school in the form of speaking and writing skills carries 20 marks and the paper is of 80 marks. You will be given 2 hours to complete your paper. We'll discuss later in one of the video how much time should you allot to each individual question and each section. So the section A basically is all about MCQs. It carries 16 marks in all. There are 16 MCQs, each carrying 1 mark. Section B is about question and answers. You'll have to answer one or more questions from this section. As you can see, it's written under where it is written section B. So the questions are from the drama by Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare. The distribution of the marks is as 3, 3, 3, 3 and 4. There are 4 questions carrying 3 marks each and there is 1 question carrying 4 marks each. We will discuss further in the video what your approach should be to answer each individual questions. There are more and more topics to be covered on our channel, so hit the subscribe button and be connected till you excel the board's examination. Moving on to section C. Section C is devoted to prose or short stories. Again, the pattern is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and 4. That means 4 questions carrying 3 marks each and 1 question is of 4 marks. You need to know how should be your approach to attempt each question. How much answer are you supposed to write in a 3 marker or in a 4 marker? There are 2 questions in section B again. Then moving on to section D, it's devoted to poetry. Treasure Chest, a collection of ICSE short stories and poem. So there are again 2 questions and the pattern is same. 4 question carrying 3 marks each and 1 question carrying 4 marks. That's about your ICSE specimen paper for English literature. In a further video, I will be providing the solution to the specimen paper, and the videos to come is definitely gonna provide a useful resource for you people. We are going to discuss lots of questions on our channel. I will be telling you how you can actually answer to those questions. We will practice a lot of questions on our channel, so stay connected. Till then, keep it up, keep learning. Thank you so much.